ElectroMill is a product that's been developed to satisfy a need for the final operations in deck grinding, block grinding, housing grinding, and those operations, but can be combined in a CNC center to be included with the other machining operations that are taking place. The advantage of this product is its ability to have very durable, long-lasting benefits to the customer, while at the same time delivering flatness and finish unparalleled by any face milling tool that's in the market today. The ideal application for ElectroMill is to be used on hydraulic blocks, manifolds, steering gear houses, anything where face milling is attempting to do a high metal removal rate and then followed up by a finish milling operation. ElectroMill is the ideal finish mill in that it not only achieves the ultimate flatness over 25 to 30 inches of linear milling, but it also does that without losing 20 microns of flatness in the interim. This product can be used on a variety of materials from cast iron to 4140, aluminum, powdered metal, and many other materials.